Welcome to your dream home at 1383 Springfield Drive in Harrison, Ohio. This pristine 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom residence was built in 2022 and boasts over 3,200 square feet of modern luxury. Step inside and you'll immediately notice the premium luxury vinyl plank flooring flowing throughout the entire home. Beautiful, durable, and carpet-free. The heart of this home is the open-concept chef's kitchen. It features a massive center island with sleek countertops, rich espresso cabinetry, and stainless steel appliances, including a 5-burner gas range. It flows seamlessly right into the living areas. When it's time to unwind, the upgraded primary retreat is your private spa-like oasis. You'll love the extended double vanity and the breathtaking glass-enclosed walk-in shower, complete with floor-to-ceiling tile, a built-in bench, and dual shower heads. Heading downstairs, prepare to be wowed by the massive, fully finished basement. This spacious flex area is the perfect blank canvas for an epic home theater, a playroom, or hosting unforgettable game nights with friends and family. This home is packed with high-end upgrades. It's fully equipped with a whole-house water softener and filtration system. Enjoy permanent smart exterior LED lighting. Effortlessly change colors for every holiday right from your phone without ever climbing a ladder. Meticulously maintained by the original owners, this Harrison gem won't last long.